Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your AI laugh using Elevenlabs. So there's no actual official way to do this in Elevenlabs. I'm sure it will be implemented in the future, but for now we have to make it work using trial and error. So the best way I've found to do this is play around with the voice settings. So you basically want to drop the stability, which makes it more variable, and it'll be more experimental in how it gives you results. Now the results it will give you at first will probably be pretty bad because you're lowering the stability, so it's going to be really experimental in how it gives you answers. So for this example I'm using Trump and I've lowered the stability to about 6 and I've typed in this, and let's see how the first result sounds. So that one wasn't actually too bad, to be fair. It sounded quite like Trump laughing, but you won't always have this result. I mean, you're going to have to keep playing around with it. The lower you drop it, the more experimental it will be. So there's him giggling. That worked quite well, to be fair. You can also obviously increase this if you want it longer. And the same works if you want it shorter. Just remove it a little bit. So yeah, the best way to make this work is basically dropping the stability. Hopefully in the future, Elevenlabs adds more customization so you can make laughing and sounds like that a lot easier. I'm sure it will be coming, but for now, this is the best way. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it worked, and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.